when your president, Mr. Boriano, asked me to come to Bucharest to talk with your football, it will be for me a big honor, because Italians and Romania, of course, are people very close, and football very close. And it's for me it's a big pleasure to talk with them, to give them the experience of Italian football, and to understand what is Romanian Football Federation are doing for the clubs and for the football. It's an amazing project that I think there will be a strong legacy for the future of Romanian football. First is starting on my presentation. What we do today is not enough to excel tomorrow. A long-term vision is important, because it's normally football. What happened today. The manager must think what happened tomorrow, after tomorrow, in a long-term perspective. This is the first, the vision. The second is work together. All the clubs must work together for the growth of the football system in Romania, and the same in Italy. And in a club, all the managers must work together. The engagement of all the managers, the team leadership is so important to grow. And the third is educational program like this, to share information what happened around the world, information and the experience, best practice, also bad practice, because it's important also to learn from other federations, other experience, what are the key for the success of the football in this country. I think that you have big clubs with a big history, with also international appealing. It's important that all the football will grow together, from the basic of the pyramid, where there is the young. The second steps are the clubs, and the top of the pyramids are the national teams. National team has a good success to participate to Euro, and is a big event, and we wish you the best results. And in the medium of the pyramid there is clubs, and the clubs must grow together. But don't forget the basic of the pyramid, where there is the young generation and the young players. They are the future. In football, in men football, in women football, and in futsal. We wish to meet you in possibly in semi-final.
Semi-finals.
Why not in the final? It's nice to have a Romanian team in Euro. Is nice also for Italians and all millions of Romanians that live in Italy and are now fantastically integrated with us. And for this reason, it will be. We wish you successful Euro.